Hello, good evening everyone. This is Chibomba Sadat. Hope you have enjoyed the weekend and everything that's going on very well. So in this session of about 10 minutes, we shall go through Execl Errors and we shall see how such errors come into our work while dealing with Microsoft Excel. So we shall use this work here as our template to see through how different errors are made while using Microsoft Excel. So I'll start with hash. Hash is an error that comes when you're fed into a cell when you put data that is larger, let me say like that, more than the cell. So it ends up bringing for you xxx. Hash, for example, 77. You see 77. When I put 77, it brings the same. 7777 brings the same things. So how can we avoid such errors? The only way you can avoid such errors is either you can put any number that you want or any one that you can put to the Excel. Afterwards, you come and click here the cell analyzes. If not, let's go back. If not, you can just come here, put your cursor at the top of this row, and then you just enlarge it and everything comes to normal. We go to another one. Another error that we're going to talk about is hash name. Hash name is an error in Microsoft Excel that comes when you're fed into a wrong name while calculating or when manipulating your data into your Microsoft Excel. Let's say, for example, I'll say equals, open brackets, let me say equals, let me say S, then I put S sum brackets, this comma this, enter. So they bring me hash name because the name I've put there is not within the Microsoft Excel programming. So when I put such a name, they bring me hash name. How do we avoid hash name? Hash name can be avoided by feeding into a correct name into your Microsoft Excel. Let's say let's say equals brackets, sum, opening brackets, this one, comma, and this, enter. They'll give me the exact answer that I wanted. Let's go to another one. Those are two errors. We shall go to another one. Another error that we can talk about is the hash div 0. The hash div 0 comes when you divide a number by 0. When you divide a number by 0, of course, automatically they give you the hash div 0. So how can we let's first take an example before we can how we can rectify such an error. So let's say I have such data into my worksheet. I'll come here, let's say I want to divide. Okay, I'll say equals, open bracket, I'll say this, let me put it here, so I'll come and put here equals, open bracket, this, divide by this, then close brackets. I put enter. See, they'll give you hash div 0. So how can you avoid hash div 0? It's 1. It may be calculating everywhere when the value is 0. So if you want such a thing to appear into your work, there is a certain way that you can easily avoid it. How do we easily avoid it? Let me click there. You'll come here and use the if error. if error equals if error, and afterwards you come click. I want a 0 to appear as a 0, so I'll come put here if error and then click 0, and what I press enter, so they've given me 0. That's the simplest way how you can avoid, how you can easily avoid the hash div 0. Then we shall go into look into another one, which is the hash value. So hash value comes when you put into, you say your data is in numerical form and you put there a word, and we manipulate or calculate your data using, and the cell that you want to calculate as a letter or it has a word. It's like an example here. I'll put here missing. So I'll come and calculate here. Let's say equals opening bracket, equals sum opening brackets. Actually sum will give you automatic number. It's equals to, let's say equals this, equals so this, how can we go about this? So how does hash value comes? So let's say put here equals opening brackets, then this value here, I'm going to divide it by this one, and I press enter. So they have brought me hash value. It's because this is not a value, this is a word. How can we easily go about this? You either feed into the correct data into your Microsoft Excel thing, Microsoft worksheet. If you put the correct data through there, you'll get the exact answer. Let's go to another one. We shall go to href. Href, how the href comes about. Let me first put some data here, and we go to href. So we shall come here, we say equals brackets, let's say this divide by this. I press enter. The answer they give me, it's in zeros. Let me take equals opening brackets, this divided by this, enter. So the answer they give me 6. I'll come here on top of this one, I double click, and it'll give me answers of the following ones down. So after that, I can just let's I want to transfer this very work here into another. So let's say I want to put it here, paste. So you see, they'll give me href, meaning the data I've put here is not supposed to be here. So that's how can we avoid this. There are several ways of how you can avoid this. You can either put the data here into manually, or let's say look at another way. Okay, this one will be solved in another video that's going to come very soon. Thanks for watching. Keep on subscribing, keep on subscribing, liking and commenting. Have a lovely night. May the Almighty bless you all.